Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute in Zoom Workplace. First of all, open up the Zoom application on your device and then from the home page, go ahead and join in a meeting or create a meeting. After the meeting starts, tap on the microphone button that says mute on the bottom left corner of the screen. After you tap the mute button, you will be able to mute yourself in the call. If it's red with a slash, you are muted. If it is white, you are unmuted. You can also mute other participants in your Zoom meet. Simply tap on the participants button and find the person's name and then tap on mute. That way you will be able to mute or unmute yourself in your Zoom meeting. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.